welcome back to Momina's Mixed Plate, and today I am in Turkey and I'm doing a really fun travel log because what we're doing here is that I've gotten 5 challenges from 5 celebrities from Pakistan, including Aisha Umar, HSY, Ahmed Ali Butt, Saira Sharoz, and a really cool thing that Mabra Hussain sent me. So I'm going to be taking you around Turkey and showing you Turkey through the eyes of all Pakistani celebrities. So let's get to it. I'm staying at this hotel right here. It's called Nishpala in Nishantashi, and it's a mad cool area. It's like super fun, cobblestones, roads, and it's like proper European. And that's my cousin's wife, and so it's a bunch of us together. And my first task is with Aisha Umar, and she has given me the task to go. Actually, you know what? Listen to what Aisha had to say, and then we'll get going.
Hi Momina, this is Aisha Umar, and I hear that you're going to Istanbul. So I have a task for you. There is, we all know that there's this really famous steakhouse in Istanbul, and it's called Nusret Steakhouse, and it's got a lot of branches. Is that what you call? Yeah, branches or whatever. It's not a school, but yeah, branches. And I would like you to go to one of the Nusret outlets and cafes or restaurants and have a steak there. But also get a selfie with Salt Bay, who is the owner, and he started Nusret Steakhouse, and he's really famous now because he's this meat expert, and he's a celebrity. So get a selfie with him, find him, trace him in Turkey, and get a selfie with him and eat a steak for me.
Okay, so now I'm in the cab and we're going to Aisha Umar's challenge, which is going to be going to Nusret and trying out a steak, which is super fun because I'd already booked that, and it's my sister's birthday, so happy birthday, Amna. Yeah, she's 30 today.
You don't have to bring numbers into it.
Well, she's getting numbers, and that's why we're all here, is for her 30th birthday. And the other task that she's given me, as you heard earlier when she was telling me the challenge, is that I have to get a picture with Nusret himself. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see if we can find him. He's in Miami?
That's what his Instagram says.
Okay, well, I'm sorry, Aisha. Like, I tried my best, but I'm going to Nusret, and it's gonna be super fun. And so, let me get out of the cab, and I'll take you inside to the restaurant. Aisha, this one is for you. Look up there where I am. So, guys, this is Nusret. Obviously, all of you know Salt Bay. Apparently he's not here, which sucks because I really wanted to get my picture with him, and for Aisha I signed it and sent it to her. But we actually got a reservation here a few weeks ago, and now they're saying that you can't see the reservation, but see the line, please. We have to wait for it. Just madness. So I'm gonna wait and see how long it's gonna take me to get inside, and once I'm inside, I'm gonna have to show you all the food that we're eating, and I'm gonna have a steak. And if you guys are here in Istanbul ever, make sure to check it out because it's supposed to be fantastic. Oh my god, it took us an hour to get in here, but here's everyone who's like traveling with us. That's Maha, Mijlal, Margul, Naveen, myself, my sister Amna, Kamal, Ehsan, Hina, and Khalid. You want to show yourself also? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Since Salt Bay isn't here, I'm going to become Salt Bay. Come on, come out.
Thanks.
And wow! can't move. There are 10 people with me who cannot move. The line for this place, it is 5 PM. Lunch hour khatam ho chuka hai, lekin log pagal ho rahe hain is jagah pe, and it is insane. So thank you, Aisha Umar. I think I completed your challenge and I did very well. So I'm gonna head home and possibly take a nap. And I'll see you guys for the next challenge.
So Momina, this is your challenge. What you're gonna do is you're gonna find a busy square. It has to be a busy square. Somewhere in central Istanbul. And वहाँ तुमने एक ये स्पीकर लेके जाना है, कोई भी स्पीकर हो सकता है, और साथ तुम्हारे जो भी तुम्हारा जोड़ा हो, कुछ भी पहना हो, तुम्हारे साथ दुपट्टा जरूर होना चाहिए, और उसके साथ तुम दुपट्टा सर पे बांधोगी, फुल पंजाबी स्टाइल, फुल पंजाबी स्टाइल। फिर तुम ये स्पीकर नीचे रखोगी, तो तुम थोड़ी सी 5-10 सेकंड के लिए ताली बजाओगी कि लोग तुम्हें देखना शुरू हो जाएं, और उसके बाद पूरे 30 सेकंड के लिए तुम एक कोरियोग्राफ डांस मार छड़प्पा पे करोगी। मार छड़प्पा पिंड बट जाएगा। एक अब करके दिखाना है। Let's see it.
It's just why you owe me big time. No wonder you're my step brother. And well, at least it's a beautiful place and nobody knows me. But once you all see it, it's gonna be not the best. We did. Okay, so I'm off to do my next challenge, which is by Ahmed Ali Bhatt. So check out what he wants me to do.
Alright, so a quick challenge for Momina, since she's going to Istanbul. So what I'm going to do is she's always working out. So this is a challenge for you. You have to eat a full plate, full plate of baklava. After whatever you eat, you have to eat that full plate of baklava. It's going to be a sugar rush for you, and since you're a very fitness freak, I think that's a perfect challenge for you. And what you're going to do is you're going to send a video. In fact, you're going to upload that video of you eating a full plate of baklava. Enjoy.
So thank you, Ahmed Ali Bhatt. Like, all of you just don't like me much, I realize this, but let's go. Okay, so I could not find any baklava in Babek, so now we're going to Taksim Square, and I have 2 more challenges apart from Ahmed Ali Bhatt. So stay tuned, I'll show you a little bit about my journey from here to Taksim, and hopefully we'll get some good baklava. Also, another really crazy thing about Istanbul that you might not know is, or maybe you do know, that the traffic here is absolutely insane. कहीं पे भी जाने के लिए आपको at least 30 से 40 मिनट चाहिए पहुंचने के लिए, और अगर अभी आपको मैं दिखाऊं तो यहाँ पे इतनी ट्रैफिक है कि हम काफ़ी देर से फंसे हुए हैं. So I finally found a baklava place, and this place is called Farouk's, and it's in Taksim Square, and apparently there are baklavas which is really amazing. So I'm going to order an entire plate for you, Ahmed, and I will finish it. Wait and see. I had 1 plate of the baklava, 1 Turkish coffee, 1 chai, and 1 water. One thing like this. So that's an entire plate of baklava. And I'm going to finish this, Ahmed. And I got myself some Turkish coffee. Oh, that's strong, but good. Now let's dive in. Last bite, Ahmed. Last bite. I'm going to finish off my coffee. And my next task, actually,
Hi Momina, I know that you're having a lot of fun in Turkey and you want me to give you a task. So my task would be for you to find this small shop called the OXXO at Taksim Square, and you will thank me forever for finding you the best denims. So go get some for yourself and get some for me too. Have fun. Lots of love.
See you guys at the store, and you guys can see the Mavra Hussain's favorite shop to shop at in Istanbul. Okay, so we're almost at the store. It is right around here. Please look at this. Is Taksim Square. It reminds me a little bit of Oxford Street in London. Very, very crowded. Lots of old buildings, some new buildings, lots of stores. So let's go, and I'll show you where she likes to shop. And this is it. That's called OXXO. So we're gonna go in and shop in here. Let's hope we find some nice things. Okay, so I've picked up a bunch of stuff here, and it's a really cool store. So if you're in Istanbul, do check it out. I'm going to try out a few things, and when I get back to Pakistan, I'll actually show you everything that I bought in Turkey. And Mavra, I've got a pair of jeans for you, and I'm going to pick out something fun. And I'll see you. Let me see what all I find, and let me try it on, and I'll see you at the checkout counter. I think that's pretty much the end of our challenges. Saira, your challenge is left, and I will just tell you what happened with your challenge. But anyways, I'm gonna pay for this stuff, and I'll probably see you guys outside. I hope you all enjoyed all the challenges that were given to me. Istanbul, you have been absolutely incredible. You guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this absolutely super fun travel log that we did. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Lots of love from Istanbul.